Okay, boys and girls, today is day 17, boys and girls. We will set our eggs tomorrow for hatching, and hatch day, remember, is day 21, which will be on Friday. So tomorrow is actually the last day that we could candle the eggs at all, but we're going to finish it today. We're going to finish candling some of the eggs. So I would like you to get your paper, your notebook, and your pencil. Remember, boys and girls, you are being scientists, and scientists observe. That means they look really closely at things and they write down what they see, what they notice. So I'd like you to get your paper and pencil, and we're going to get started candling just some of the eggs today and see if we notice any difference from the other day when we candled them. So as we're a little farther along, boys and girls, we should start to notice a couple of things. Those that we thought we saw chicks growing inside, boys and girls, the chicks should be getting bigger, and the air cell should be getting a little bit smaller as that chick is taking up more of the egg. So let's get started. One of you asked to see number 4. Make sure this is, yep, egg number 4. This is a dark brown egg. And it's really hard for me to see very much in the egg. I do see the air cell, but it looks really dark. All right, let's try another one. Putting it back, large side up. This one is number 6. It's a green egg. I do see the air cell there. And it is, I see some veins right there. I see a dark spot, but I don't see a lot. It's really hard to see. Let's try another one. This one is number 8. It is also a brown egg, and there we see the air cell right there. Definitely see a dark spot up in this part of the egg. Okay. It's harder with the dark eggs to see very good, isn't it, boys and girls? This is egg number 10. It's a light green egg. We see the air cell there. See a dark, a dark shadow right there, boys and girls. All right, let's try another one. Remember, we can't leave them out for very long. We have to be rather quick. This is number 16, and this, boys and girls, I think this might be a quitter, because if you look at this, I want you to look at this a little bit. We talked about quitters are ones that maybe started, but then something happened partway to stop it from continuing to grow. And if we look here, it is see-through through so much of the egg. It's dark right there, and we kind of have a ring going there, which makes me believe that this one is not developing any further. So I do believe this one is a quitter. This one is number 19, boys and girls. This is the one that is such an unusual shape egg. It's not, the sides are kind of like squished in a little bit. Oh boy, I see something right there. Let's hold it here a minute and see if we see any movement. I see some fine lines right there, boys and girls, which very well could be hair on our chick. Sometimes they will respond to the heat of the kindling flashlight. Move it around a little bit. That dark spot could be the eye as well. It just moved. Oh boy. I think we have one here, boys and girls. So cool. Miracle of nature, for sure. All right, it's hard for me to see when I open up here, boys and girls, what number they are. Do we see it, number 13? This is number 13. Let's check out number 13. Oh, I do see. This is the one we saw move the other day. Can definitely see the dark spot is taking up more of the egg. Here we see blood vessel right there. Definitely taking up more of the egg. See if we see any movement here a minute. Yes. Did you see that? That was really cool. I always think it's neat too. Sometimes we'll hear them tomorrow. Sometimes we'll start to hear them cheep a little bit from inside their shell. This is number 16. Oh, we already did this one. This is that one that had the ring around it that we thought was a quitter. So let me put that one back. Sorry. It's hard for me to see in here. It's 19. This one is number 18. This one I do see a dark spot. I definitely see some veins. Okay, oops. It's really dark right there. Okay. I'm just going to grab a few in here. This is number 20. I do see a dark spot, and I do see something moving there, boys and girls. Right there. Okay. Largened up. This is number 11. And this, I think, is also quitter, boys and girls, because look at, we have that ring there. Again, it's pretty much, looks like maybe something started, but then for some reason it quit. So I think this one would be a quitter. This is number 12. It is a green egg. Now look at, boys and girls, I'm kind of wondering if this wouldn't be a quitter as well, because it is not taking up very much space in the egg. Notice we have a dark spot, and I bet right there would be the eye, but it is not growing. So for some reason or another, I think this one might be also considered a quitter. Some of you wanted to see 14, 15, and 5. Let me see if I can't quickly find them. Here is 14. 14 is a green egg. There we can see air cell. Again, this one looks really big and it's really dark. I can't see very much in it, but I sure right there can see some blood vessels, which leads me to believe that this one is developing. When it's really dark, sometimes it covers, it's taking up a lot of the space inside of the egg. All right. See if we can find 5 and 15. This is 5. It's a brown egg, light brown. Oh, I think I just saw it move. Oh, yep, I did. You can see here it's kind of see-through, but here this whole thing is dark, which would be the embryo. Remember, it's an embryo until it starts hatching. If it's inside of the egg, it's an embryo. All right, let me look for number 15 then, boys and girls. My hood is getting in my way of seeing. Sorry about this. Is this it? Nope, that's 4. Nope, that's 8. Well, I hope number 15 hasn't run away. I'm not finding it. I'm sorry. We may have to check that one a little bit later. I think we better stop now, boys and girls. I think we've left our incubator open for quite a bit of time, and so we need to get it back to the temperature it needs to be. So boys and girls, tomorrow we will set our eggs for hatching, which is really exciting and cool. Have an excellent day.